Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here from GOODaaa. It's a foldable solar charger. So this is gonna be cool. So if I go out camping or something like that, if I'm car camping, I guess I can bring this along, or I guess regular camping too, and I can have a charger to charge up some of my battery packs and whatnot. So if they start getting low, I have a charger. So let's check this thing out and see what it looks like here. Let's open it up. And here we go. It does have an instruction manual here. I'll show you that in a second, but this is what it looks like here. It's Velcroed closed. And then we have it there. So there we go. It comes with 3 panels. I'm gonna guess each one would be the 10 watts. That's how we get the 30 watts. And then in here, we should have our wires and connections and stuff. So perfect. So I'll come closer here. So you can see we have a connector here. This here, the little light's on, I guess, because it's getting some sun. Let me see if it closes up. Yes, it turns off. So you can see when it's open, it had some light on it for a second. I guess from all these lights in I just have studio lights. Yeah, there it is, the little light went on. So the studio lights are even producing some power. So that's kind of cool. And then in there, it's got a USB port and a USB-C port and a barrel connector one. So here's our different wires. So we have this one here as our barrel port. So this one here I could use for my big battery. I have like a Jackery battery, so this could plug into like that. That's what that takes. And then you have the different adapter pieces here for the different sizes, depending on which size you have. So that is good. And then you have a couple of carabiners here. So I could, while I'm going along, I could carabiner this from right here and there, and even connect it onto the back of my backpack while I'm going and have it charging as I go or whatever. So, or just hang it up on the side of the car. Could put these carabiners on it with a rope going over the van or something like that. You just have all different choices to set this thing up. It's a cool looking one here, and to be able to get 30 watts of power is super nice. I mean, I don't know if you've taken different power things and stuff before, but 30 watts is good. I mean, if I have this out there in the sun, my phone charges off of like 10 or something. So, you can charge a few things. You could probably charge my iPad with this thing here. Even just leaving it out. So super cool. So I like this one here. This is by GOODaaa, or I can connect it up and just charge like a battery power bank kind of thing with it as well. So you can just plug it into one of these. So you can recharge your battery. You can do anything with it. Super cool. I love having some solar bank like this. I can even put it on my dashboard, something like that as I'm driving and charge stuff up. So lots of uses for this. Totally pick one of these up. This one here, it's got pictures of people camping on it even. So totally good. Thumbs up for sure. I like this. This is sweet. So exciting.